Hello dear children of class 8. Today we will learn chapter 4, each one theme 1 from moral value. Student, education is very important for progress and development of country. Education is the continuing process from the minute we are born until we die, said Indira Gandhi. India is the developing country progressing at a rapid speed. Yet India faces many problems like poverty, unemployment, overpopulation, illiteracy, etc. The main cause of all these problems is ignorance. Ignorant people cannot follow the basic problems of life. Ignorance causes backwardness, lack of the humans understanding social problems and other evils in the society. Very little had been done in the sphere of literacy during the British rule in India. The British rule left the country was made 14 literary percent. Hence we got our independence with a several handicap. Once the task which independence India had to take up was the eradication of literacy. However, to reach the message of an impossible task, the magnitude of the problems, it was the fightings. After independence, the government took great measure to educate illiterate. From India, great progress has been made up in the field of education. The money spent on education had increased. The number of the students had very greatly increased. So also that number of the institution, primary education had become free in all states, and some states have free educations till the universal level. Primary education has been made compulsory in every state. और नीचे though challenge medicines, engineering and other scientists have attention world standards. All these result helping India to achieve the moderate society in the field of literary. From 14% literary in the 1947, the country has come to 55% according to the last census. This means that 45% of our Indian population is still illiterate. It is the price worthily is a note that a state like Kerala has achieved 100% literary. The secret of the success is the literary campaigning become a mass movement. Millions of university students and teachers volunteers to help in this literary campaign. The India government realized that without mass education and encourage people to learn, it will be difficult to solve this problem and pace the development of the country. Human resource development was considered the prime factor, and the Ministry of Education was the graded up. It was decided to separate literary by opening more and more primary and secondary students in a village. The fund allocated in the budget of education was increased, and it was also fully necessary to have adult education programs. The single factor most responsible for the said situation in the faster growth of the population, it resulted in an increase in the number of illiterate in our country. Hence, the Make India Literary and the Adult Illiterary Program is essential according to Dr. V.K.R.V. Rao. Without adult education and about literary, it is not possible to have that range and that speed to economic and society development which we required, nor to it possible to have that extent worth while in term to value and welfare. To make India literate, the literary companion must to make a mass movement a people companion. All organizations, university and high school students are to be pressed into work. If we follow the dictum, each one teach one, soon India will be a literate country and will march ahead. So moral, believe in yourself, you can make a difference. So students, it's a story and essay of your moral value book. You must read this chapter with meaningful and do exercise. Okay, thank you.